FORVIA is one of the world's largest automotive technology groups, and 1 in 2 vehicles worldwide is equipped with FORVIA products.
In FORVIA exhaust system plant in Písek, we are producing exhaust systems which are for our main customers. This is Daimler, PSA and Volvo. I would start from historical point of view. Something like 5-6 years ago, we had on the shop floor forklifts, stackers and all this manual guided equipment with people. Of course, we faced a lot of risks of accidents, and we decided to switch to automation. We chose MiR robots, and we installed 14 robots which will secure both safety and efficiency on the shop floor. The mobile robots MiR are also used in other countries. Aside the Czech Republic, we have it in France, we have it in Italy, we have it in Portugal.
FORVIA uses its fleet of MiR robots to automate several processes within production and logistics. The 7 MiR 250 robots are used to automate the transportation of monoliths from the monocage to the assembly of work-in-progress parts. The robots transport the monoliths from one building, through a long, fully covered outdoor hallway, to the production. Here, gravity systems deliver the monoliths and pick up empty packaging to take back to the warehouse area. FORVIA uses 7 MiR heavy-duty robots to automate the transportation of finished goods from the production to be picked up in the logistics area. The robots are automatically summoned when a pallet is ready to be picked up via a sensor system, and it connects with the custom automated racks that load the robots. When the robot has delivered a full pallet, it will pick up an empty pallet and bring it back to the production for a fully automated workflow.
Then we have one point which we connect also between the assembly line and the strapping machine, which is another step of digitalization in this plant, which is again decreasing the work content of our workers in plant.
Every day we are getting stronger and stronger with the technology. And I can remember when I arrived 2 years ago here, it was really a mystery for me, and now it's more easy for me, totally easy. I know how they are working, I know how to resolve some problem, etc.
In our processes, we are sharing the same area with other equipment, with people also serving the lines, and robots MiR are fitting the most the environment which we have on our shop floor inside FCM FORVIA. I think people and robots can align together, as the robots are smart in way that they are recognizing the people on the shop floor, so there is no problem to stop or bypass people which are going around. MiR fleet is used for organizations of missions, and next to this fleet from MiR robots, we also use our internal script, which is helping to organize the flow on the lines and between the lines. Next goal for us is to integrate MiR fleet into ERP system of FORVIA. Mobile robots MiR are working in our plant 24/7, so it means we are covering 3 shifts per day with these applications. MiR we choose as there is the complexity of the process setup, like a Wi-Fi connectivity map running in fleet. Then we have quite a reasonable payback of 2 years, which is giving us opportunity to validate the investment. MiR robots helped us to increase productivity, and we have good experience. We got a lot of support for integration across Europe, and a big potential for wide usage in our operations.